Today I would like to show you how to fix this dryer, the Samsung dryer. It have look, when you turn it on, it have a future check flashing light. So I will show you how to fix this. The video should take only like 5-6 minutes, but I mean, if you do it, it should be taking that about 10 minutes max, depending on how good you are. So just follow me, just watch the video, and you find out. Okay, give me a thumb up. See ya. Okay, this morning when I come down to try to wash my clothes and dry my clothes, and I find out that my dryer machine will not operate correctly. It have this flashing future check light flashing like 3 times and then turn off. So what I do is I clean out the filter spot so it's no dust in there right now. So, and I press start to nothing happened. I hear the little click and then that's it. Nothing, no spinning, nothing moving. So I turn it off, turn it back on again, and then still it still showed its filter check flashing light 3 times. So I wonder what happened here. So what I do is what I decide is, before I spend a couple $100 to buy a new one and throw this away, I want to try to fix it myself first and see if I can able to fix it. So the model number is here. Take this, the bottom part, I take this apart. So this was to go inside. This was inside this hole right here. There you go. And that's basically the screw that hold it. This, and then you attach this fence to it. So what you do is you're gonna remove this out, put it on the side, and if you have a flashlight, you can look inside here to check to see what's going on inside here. And as soon as you look inside, look what happened. The pulley is broke. The one with the white kind of like pulley belt roller, and the belt is losing. So that's definitely the reason why it's not working. You can try to repair from this hole here. Just put your hand in there and remove the Phillip and take out the old pulley that broke, and then just install the new one from this hole if you can reach into it. Otherwise you have to open the front and the side, and then go from the front. So I'm gonna try to do from this hole and see if I can replace it without opening everything out, make it easier. Okay, here is the pulley that I took out from my dryer that is not functioning. So I'm gonna go online and check out. They have no part number around this part, so I can't find the part. So what I do is I just basically search online, and I happen to go to Amazon and Home Depot and find this part. And this looks really similar to what I have here. Pretty much it looks identical, the same. So this one costs $16.05 at Home Depot. And here's the part number. So it might be different for your dryer, but you might want to check the part number for it. But I think this one is matched with mine, and it costs $16 here on Home Depot. And I also check at Amazon, and it costs like $12.25. So pretty much it's not that much of a big difference. So if I will try to see if they sell this at the local store, so I can go and pick them up for $16 to fix the issue. Why not? So here again, this is the part number if you want to look for it. But just make sure that your dryer is also the same as mine. If not, then you might want to take this, remove this part, and kind of mash it out to see if it's the right one, and place the order. Okay, so Home Depot don't have this part in stock, so I have to end up purchase online, and they ship it to the house. So it came in today. So this is the box that hold the part. Let me take it out. Okay, so that's the part. That's a new one. So let me see. The new one look pretty much the same as the old one. If you can, as you can see, it look the same. It feels kind of lighter. I think the metal is not made out of like the thick metal or something, so it's lighter, but it's pretty much the same as the one that broke, and it's only cost like $16. So I hope this will fix my issue. So I'm gonna start trying to fix it now. So follow me. Okay, here I'm at the dryer. Look again. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna replace this part. Here's the part. Okay guys, I have installed a new pulley. It's take a couple minutes because you only can use one hand holding the pulley and also the Phillips screw and put it back in. So it worked. I mean, you can do it. You don't have to open the everything out. So that's the good part. So now I just need to put the cable back in. All right guys, I finally installed the belt back in. So it take a little time for you to use one hand, because you have to push that pulley up. You see that spring stretch out? You got to put it up, and then you have to wrap the cable, the belt, and then you twist to the motor, to the rotor, and go back out. So that's how it should look now. So I'm gonna put everything back in, plug it back in, and then let's start the dryer, see if it's working now. Hopefully this is the fix. Alright, I plug everything back in. Let's power this thing on and see if it works now. Okay, well the filter check light still blinking 3 times, but let me try hit start. Oh, there you go. See? Working.
Great job. Wow, you fix it.
Yeah.
We saved $600.
Yeah. You just spend like $16 for the part, and there you go. So if y'all find this video help out, give a thumb up, like, subscribe. Alright, to motivate me to do more videos like this. Thank you guys. I'll see ya.